good afternoon, good night, wherever you guys are. Welcome back. Today we've headed out to QR, even though I don't even like QR much. I don't even kind of know why I'm here. I think the only reason I'm here is because the guys from Togo are doing a drift day during the week, and I thought, you know what? I'm not ruining the weekend to come to this track. I'll come on a work day. So we're there drifting in a big car park with some cones around it. So we'll come out. A couple friends are out here. Nice and size over there. A bunch of other kind of cool cars. I thought it'd be cool to come out, drive with some people that I never get to drive with. So we're here. And Quinny's here as well.
Let's go!
He hasn't been out to a track in like forever.
It's been a year, maybe.
For about a year. So yeah, kind of, it's wet. It's probably going to just be patchy, but what the heck. Let's just do a drift. Corrections there. It's like even, and then it just has this odd little slippery patch. That's super strange, but anyway. So, not a bad day. Some good runs, got some good trains in there. Even somehow annoyed the staff as well with our driving, so no actual carnage, which is kind of good. It rained a little bit right in the end, so good time, good tandems. In terms of course, kind of boring. We should have probably like done 2 laps of that course, but honestly that layout with in a comp setup would be kind of cool, or even like 10 or 20 car trains would be hot. Very simple layout. Driving by yourself, kind of a little boring, not too challenging, but if we had everyone, it'd be hot. So thanks for watching, guys. That was a good little day. Thank you.